want to say hi to everyone. Soren and I were hanging out here at Palm Springs Real Estate, a great place to live. And I just wanted to say thank you to everyone on Facebook, especially my wonderful friend Gisela Dries, who just welcomed her grandson into the world. His name is Luis. Luis, happy being born. To your mom, Aileen, to your sister, Melina, to your husband, Sven. I wish you all a wonderful time and enjoy the new baby. And also, included, I want to say hi to my friend Christy, who lives in Virginia. She's not feeling very well right now, and I'd like to wish her all the best for a speedy recovery. Thank you guys so much for taking up the time and watching my video.